Hello familia, welcome back to our channel. Today we're making Dulce de Fruta Bomba. What's going on here? Are we still doing this?
We're still doing it.
With who? Who's going to be in the video? Me?
You.
Oh, I didn't sign up for this, but hey, how's it going? Welcome back.
The fans have been asking.
Give the fans what they want. Me. Welcome. Today we're making Dulce de Fruta Bomba.
You're on.
The papaya is native to the tropics and is believed to have originated in southern Mexico and Central America. And because it's native to the tropics, most of the United States probably has not ever seen a papaya or tried a papaya, but here in South Florida, you could find them at Trader Joe's, Publix, anywhere else. Sedano's. We got this one from Trader Joe's. This one, though, is not ripe. This is what we use for Dulce de Fruta Bomba, but if you wanted to eat it raw, which is the way that it's so delicious, it could be used in milkshakes and tons of other recipes, you would want to find it more yellow and orange on the outside, not this green color. First things first, you're gonna need a knife. First step is we're gonna start peeling the papaya. Let's do it the good old-fashioned way with a knife, not even with a peeler. This is the way that my abuelo did it, which is actually the reason why I decided to make Dulce de Fruta Bomba today. We couldn't find the origins of the recipe of Dulce de Fruta Bomba, probably because it's such a simple recipe that probably dates back a long time. But the reason why I decided to make it today was because of my grandfather, Koki. And after our house fire, we moved into my step-grandparents, Koki and Magda's house. So every day, I would come home from school and run to the second fridge in the house, because there were two. There wasn't two. Honestly, there were probably more than two fridges in the house. But I would run to the second fridge in the house and look in the fridge to see if Koki had made Dulce de Fruta Bomba. And now, it'll forever probably remind me of him. For our family, cooking is not just about eating or enjoying good food. It's about tradition and using food to engage the senses and kind of sometimes remind us of loved ones who have either, passed away or are big parts of our lives. Depression. It is best served with a sliver of cream cheese or gouda cheese.
Queso gouda.
Queso gouda.
With the blue rooster on it.
With the blue rooster on it?
Sí. Gallo azul.
Gallo azul. Acere. We're gonna do the same thing that we always do when things take a long time. We're gonna do some kitchen magic. Ready? Ready? Wait, actually. Ready? Le voila! Ahora, we're going to cut it. Okay? Very easy. Pay attention. Just in half. But first, let me ask you something very important. Did you miss me? I know you did. That's why I'm here. Gotta give the people what they want, you know? This is for you, my loves.
I hate when people say my love.
Mi gente! This is for you! It might be very green. Too green. I sent my mom to go pick up the papaya. It's her fault.
Thanks.
So
You said get me a green papaya. And I got you a green papaya.
I didn't think you would be able to find such a green papaya.
I did my job. You said green, I got green.
Who knows? It may taste different. I just know that online when I was looking this up and researching, because like I said, my grandma is dead, so
Oh my.
sorry. You know I have dark humor. So you can't ask him. Excuse me, I need a minute.
Bro, Sophia, you're so fucking weird. Jesus.
I'm actually crying right now.
Are you actually? Are you laughing?
It's not funny! Anyways. Trauma!
A few moments later.
One unique aspect of papaya, and this dessert in specific, and really any dessert that you make with fruits, is that every time it's going to taste different because every fruit tastes different. Every fruit is ripened or not ripened or a different color or grow in different places. So naturally, the dessert is always going to taste a little bit different, which is kind of exciting and fun in my opinion. We're going to go ahead and take these seeds out. These little guys are rich in fiber and have a peppery taste and help with bowel movements and removing toxins from your stomach and your body.
Healthy gut.
Healthy gut, healthy life. I sent my mom to Sedano's to get me a papaya. And she went to Trader Joe's. That's probably why this papaya looks so white. No tiene sabor ni uno, brother. We're going to cut the papaya. Lay them on their tummies. And cut them into cubes. This is firm. Why are you laughing? It's really firm. Stop wheezing behind the camera.
Sorry, I don't know what's wrong with
hear you. If you've never had papaya, it tastes sweet, kind of musky, I guess. Similar to the texture of cantaloupe. Get your pot. Put all your papaya into your pot. All this recipe takes is a couple of ingredients. Papaya, water, sugar, and cinnamon sticks. That is it. Other than prep time and cooking, it shouldn't take long and it doesn't take a lot of effort at all, and it's so delicious. Into this pot, we're going to put our water and our sugar.
Short people problems.
Short people problems. Whoosh. 2 cups of sugar go into the pot. So now we're going to go ahead and put our cinnamon sticks in. Koki used to put a lot of cinnamon sticks in his. So I'm gonna go ahead and put like 5, maybe 6. You know, this is a sweet recipe from a very sweet man who will be greatly missed. 3/4 cup water into the pot. Onto the stove, medium-high heat, and make sure that we put a lid on it. This is also typically made in a pressure cooker. We do not have a pressure cooker in this house, but it works just as well, and it may take a little bit longer, to be honest, if you don't have a pressure cooker. Welcome back. It's been what feels like a bajillion hours, and the papaya is finally done cooking. Oh, smells amazing. Container. We're gonna cover this and we're gonna put it into the fridge. So as you can see here, it has gotten a little bit clear. And that's really what you want, and that's how you know it's kind of done. Same thing happens with like orange and things like that when you candy them. You're gonna let this cool at room temperature because if you put glass into the fridge, hot, it's gonna burst. And then all your Dulce de Fruta Bomba will have gone to waste. And that's truly sad. So we're gonna make sure that we wait for this to hit room temperature. While we do that, I'm just gonna make myself a plate because I like it warm and I like it cold. So let's do that. This is embarrassing. All we have in this household is cream cheese spread. That's not what you're supposed to make it with, but we're gonna, it's no different. Typically what you would do is the Philadelphia cream cheese, a block of it, and then you would cut it. But we don't have that, and it tastes the same anyways, so.
Since you didn't buy your own ingredients.
I'm so happy. This actually came out better than the last time that I did it. It looks more like the one that Gogi used to make, which makes my heart happy. Drizzle it on. Sometimes we can't find the words to say after a loved one has passed, but making this has made me feel close to him again, even if he's not here anymore. So this is for me and him. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. Okay.
Do you think Cookie would be proud?
I think he would be very proud. I think he'd be very happy that I'm making something that he used to make me and that used to bring me so much happiness. So. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that food and family go hand in hand. Do us a favor, give us a like, a comment, subscribe. Let us know what you guys want to see next. I'm Sophia, this is Miami Food Family. Hasta la próxima.